New at 6, the town of Caryville has agreed to sell land owned by the public without giving the public any information about who's buying it or any details about that sale.
Tonight, more than a month after the town's governing body agreed to sell the property, our investigative team has learned the plan is to sell it to a company called United Rare Earths, Inc. 10 News reporter Vinay Simlot explains why open government experts say Caryville didn't follow the Tennessee law in making this sale.
Robin Brittany, Caryville Mayor Rob Stooksbury says he wasn't trying to work in secret, but the company buying the land asked him to keep the information confidential. After talking with those experts and going back and forth with the mayor, today we finally did get these documents about the sale of this public land. In a public process to sell public land, the town of Caryville didn't tell the public any of the details.
They did not go through the process correctly.
The mayor called a special meeting on October 24th to discuss industrial property. At the meeting, the minutes show the alderman made a motion to sell 39 acres of land for $740,000 without providing the name of the buyer or any other details.
Listen. This is government transparency 101.
Deborah Fisher is the executive director of the Tennessee Coalition for Open Government. She says the meeting didn't follow Tennessee's Open Meetings Act because the agenda was too vague.
It did not clearly say that the governing body was considering selling property for industrial purposes.
The Tennessee Comptroller's Office's counsel agrees. He says the word discussed does not imply a vote would be taken. It is likely that Caryville violated the law by calling a special called meeting and changing the purpose of the meeting itself.
You don't hide that behind vague language of discussion of industrial property. You just plainly say what you plan to do.
That advocate says anytime development goes before a governing body like the Board of Mayor and Alderman, any documents would become public record. We asked for the agreement to sell this land. After we visited the site on December 7th, the mayor agreed to follow state law and make the documents public. And that open government expert says someone could challenge the sale and a judge could void it if Caryville didn't follow the open meetings law. And late today, we sent an email to the president of United Rare Earths. We have not heard back. Robin, Brittany.
Vinay, thank you.